Hey, welcome back. Tyler, Pump Track Locator. Hopefully this one comes through. It's a little windy, real crappy weather where we're at, but we're going to brave through it. We're here in Salt Lake City. We're at the West Valley area at the Centennial Bike Park. So this one's got a little bit of everything. I'm pretty excited to ride it. I'm hoping that it's just dry enough to get some laps in. And I'm going to kind of give you a tour. You got a little modular pump track. Pretty cool dirt jump section with some basic stuff as well. You got the Velo Solutions pump track, and then you got a pretty killer skate park as well. Obviously tons of parking, just massive parking. There's bathrooms up over to the left. So really cool area. Let's walk in here and take a look at it, and then we'll do some ride throughs. So you got the small little modular pump track. These things are kind of fun. They're more like a bobsled. They're kind of hard to get through fast, but great for little guys. And you got the gear, little ride through port. That's pretty cool. And you got the dirt jump section. That looks pretty simple. It's got a cool little wood section. The wood sections, when it's raining, they're always slippery as all get out. But let's go ahead and walk through all that, and we'll come back and hit the pump track last. Just do our little walk through here first. Nice little wood ramps. Got one over to the far right, looks a little slippery. And it actually looks like the pump track ties into this dirt jump section, which is all paved, so it's not really a dirt jump section. Get up here on the ramp, check it out. Definitely a little bit of muddy soil here. So it's got little mini skills park, it looks like. I don't know, a little bridge, that's just probably to get there, but little skills park. Let's get up here again. It's pretty windy. Hopefully this comes through. So Centennial Bike Park, West Valley City. There's a logo built in. So it's actually not a huge Velo Solutions pump track. It's probably a more dirt jump than anything else, but really nicely laid out. So again, plenty of parking. There's also 3 other pump tracks all within 30 minutes of here. So we're gonna go hit all those today if we can. Then we're gonna start heading south. And so yeah, it looks like we'll be able to ride through this. There's a little bit of snow in a couple of the corners, but it doesn't look icy, so it should be good to go. Okay, let's get the Velo Solutions pump track. So a super small pump track actually, but still fun. And you can pop back out right here, and it again. Okay, the only other thing I saw was a little, just like a single little wall right over there. We'll go ahead and hit that. Okay, to the left over there is the small little modular pump track. We're gonna go ahead and ride this little skills park here. Go through this little gear tunnel. Then you can see they got a cool little wall ride, just a single wall ride for the kids and for whoever comes zipping into here. This is 100% separate other than the pump tracks. And then again, a little skills course. Real small stuff here. There's nothing advanced here at all. The only thing that's big are some of the paved dirt jumps, and none of those are big. If you ride BMX at all, you can hit every one of them. Okay, last we got this little modular pump track that is probably slippery as all get out. We're gonna go ahead and try to go through it. These things are always crazy. I've been on a few of them. They're just really weird, I think. Okay, we're gonna do a soft ride through on the dirt jumps. With how cold it is and how the water is on the track, I'm not gonna go out and kill myself jumping these. Definitely slippery, but you can see you got nice lines here. You got kind of a left and a right section. Cool feature there. That's cool.